Okay guys, how's it going? My name's Slippery Sebastian.
And I'm Naked Bear.
And we are comparing the Big Daddy FPV battery with the China Hobby line. These two batteries come in at about $27 Australian. They're easily the two cheapest batteries on the Australian market.
Totally agree. I've been flying a Big Daddy for, I don't know, maybe 3 months now. I put about 10 cycles through it and I love it. It's gone great.
We've noticed that they're not puffy, like compared to like tattoos and stuff, which are like $10 more each a battery.
Easy.
Yeah, and all our tattoos, all our like FMRs, the pretty much every single other battery has puffed. It's gone shit. We've just found that these batteries have just worked way better than pretty much all the other competitions.
I agree. My tattoos dropped to sell after 3 cycles. It didn't last me
Yeah, that was
at
shit.
all. Yeah. I was pretty disappointed with that, to be honest.
Cool.
But,
Flight footage?
flight footage.
Cool.
Let's do it.
Boom. Performance-wise, they're pretty much the same, right?
On par. 100%.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you get a bit more out of the Big Daddy, personally.
Yeah, I would agree with that.
Yeah. Like I feel like you can take this to 1200 1200 milliamps pretty comfortably, and then fly back, and you still feel like pretty safe on it. Whereas this one, like I kind of felt like it was sagging at like 900 milliamps.
Yeah, I got about that as well.
Yeah.
But the thing I like about the Big Daddies is the size. Comparatively, it's a lot smaller. It's a bit taller than the China Hobbies. It's a little bit taller, as you can see. I don't know if you can get that. Again, lengthwise, it's a little bit shorter, which for riding a GoPro is what you want.
Yeah, it's way better. Like
it fits on your frame nicely.
Putting this China Hobby line, it just fits, and like that's okay. It just I always seem to be grabbing a Big Daddy rather than the China Hobby line. It just fits better. It fits better. It feels better. It's more reliable. We're not sponsored by any of these two people. Like it's just literally our personal opinion. Although if you want to sponsor us,
to be honest, I probably would go home and order more Big Daddies.
Yeah, me too. So Big Daddy, 100%.
100%.
Yeah, cool. Sweet.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit me up on Instagram and Twitter because I'm always replying to you guys. I'm following most of you back, so make sure you give me a DM if I haven't already. Peace.
Didn't even get to cross.